Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today I am going to explain the assignment 6 in polynomials and factorization. Coming to question number 1, factorize x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Coming to solution, so given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So we know very well the factors of these two. We have two factors. These are x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So these two are the factors, x plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. Coming to question number 2, expand x plus 1 whole cube. X plus 1 whole cube. So we know very well this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. We know very well the formula, since the formula for a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3ab square. So just compare this formula with the given expression x plus 1 whole cube. Here the value of a is equal to x, comma the value of b is equal to 1. Substitute a is equal to x, b is equal to y in above formula. Therefore it will becomes x plus 1 whole cube equal to x cube b cube 3 x square into 1. So here 3a square b, here a is equal to x and 3a into b square. I can finalize the problem. X plus 1 whole cube equal to x cube plus 1 cube is 1. Here 3 into 1 is 3, 3x square, and 3x into 1 square is 3x. Okay. Coming to question number 3, evaluate Roman number 2, question number 3, evaluate the following products. First bit 101 into 99, this is first bit, and second bit also, second bit is 50 and half into 49 and half. These two are two bits. Here we find the product of these two without using actual multiplication. So here we use some identities. Just see, this can be written 100 plus 1, this can be written 100 minus 1. So here just observe, this is in the form of a plus b, this is in the form of a minus b. We know very well, since a minus b into a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The formula is this. Here a square is 100 square minus b square is 1 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 1, that is equal to 9999. Here we are doing these problems without using actual multiplication. Here we use only the identity. What is the identity here? A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Coming to question number 2, here 50 and half can be written 50 plus 1 by 2, 49 and half can be written 50 minus 1 by 2. Here also same formula, a plus b into a minus b. The formula for a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Just use this formula, a plus b into a minus b. Here a square means 50 square, b square means 1 by 2 whole square. 50 square, 5 square is 25, so 20 by 100 minus 1 by 4. Here we subtract 2500 minus 1 by 4. So 2499 3 by 4. Coming to question number 4, if a plus b plus c is equal to 9, question number 4, if a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26, he asking the value of a square plus b square plus c square, then a square plus b square plus c square is equal to how much? Okay, coming to solution. First of all, to do any problem, first of all write the given data. Given a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26. Since we know very well the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. We know very well the formula of a plus b plus c whole square is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here I use this formula to solve this problem. So here I find this value. So given a plus b plus c is equal to how much? A plus b plus c is equal to 9. Write 9 square and just down a square plus b square plus c square plus common 2. 2 is common. If 2 is common, the remaining is ab plus bc plus ca. The value of ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 26. Therefore, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 9 square is 81. This transfer to next side, that side, that is 52. That is subtract the final value a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 81 minus 52 is 11 minus 2 is 9. That is equal to 29. Coming to question number 5, Roman number 3, question number 5. If a plus b, x plus y plus z is equal to 0, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Here we prove this. For given data, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. In given data, there is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. To prove here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. First of all, coming to solution, first write given x plus y plus z equal to 0. You observe, in given answer, there are all are cubes. So here we apply cubing on both sides. Therefore, first of all, x plus y is equal to minus z. Take the equation 1. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So cubing x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. Here x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. We know very well this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So since I have a formula a plus b whole cube equal to, the formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. One more formula is there, same formula. So just apply this a cube plus b cube plus 3ab xy into a plus b x plus y equal to, so right side minus z whole cube. Minus whole cube, negative power odd number gives always negative. Z cube is z cube. So minus z cube. So here there is a very important point. The value of x plus y. So the value of x plus y is equal to minus z. To replace minus z instead of xy. So therefore x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus z is equal to minus z cube. This entire term transferred to right side and minus z cube transferred to left side. So the final answer is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. This will transfer to right side is equal to 3xyz. Okay, thank you.